Hey, what's going on, guys? Chris back with you with another unboxing and review video. And if you're not familiar with my videos, welcome, welcome, welcome. We are reviewing the Vankyo MatrixPad S20 Android tablet. This is the 32GB model, and of course, just like all my unboxing and review videos, in the description box below the video is going to be this exact same Android tablet by Vankyo. If they sell it in the UK, I will have you guys in the UK linked below as well, so you can read more about it, pick one up yourself after the video is done. This is a 10.1-inch tablet. It has front and rear cameras, octa-core CPU. Let's go ahead and get it out of the box. We're going to run more specs by you then. All right, let's get the trusted old butterfly knife out and let's get this out of the box. All right, let's see what the MatrixPad S20 has in store for us today. We have ourselves a little welcome card there. And let's go ahead and pull this guy out first. We will set it out of the way and let's get to the boring stuff first. We do have a pin adapter right up there on the side. And inside the box, is my guess, is gonna be our adapter. So inside was a wall adapter here, a 2-pronger, into a USB, and then we have a USB into a Type-C plug. That again is a Type-C. They've switched from micro USB to a Type-C. Very nice. And that's going to be your typical 3-foot plug. All right, and here's a little bit of a brochure information and our user guide here. Here are some pretty important specifications for you guys. You can go ahead and screenshot this or pause it, but I'll run through some of these very quickly here. Again, the screen size is 10.1 inches. The GPU is IMG 8322, a CPU of octa-core Cortex A55. The RAM is 3 GB of RAM with storage 32 or 64. I have the 32GB model, but of course there is expandable memory. The display resolution is going to be IPS 800 by 1280. Front-facing camera 5 megapixel, back camera 8 megapixel. Battery, nice big large one, 6,000 milliamp battery. Running Android operating system, Android 9 Pie. Of course, network Wi-Fi. Power supply is going to be DC 5-volt 2 amp. Ports, USB-C 2.0 port, micro SD card slot. All right, let's go ahead and look through that. That's all done there. And this tablet actually has GPS as well with dual speakers. And we have a very nice kind of a matte gray silver finish to it with our rear camera right up there in the top left corner if you're looking at the back of it here. The S20 once again, very nice. The way it is made feels very sturdy in my hand. Flipping it over, of course, we have all of this wonderful information here. I would charge it fully before you do, but this is very satisfying right here to remove that guy. Very nice. Before my fingerprints get that smudged up, that looks great. Dual speakers on the bottom. Our power button, volume button, AUX headphone jack, input slot right there. Our Type-C port charging right up top here. Bringing up this little tab here, we are going to have our micro SD slot right there. And I will try to find out what that is expandable, max expandability for an SD card. My guess is 64, maybe 120 or so. It'd be very nice if it was even higher than that. Coming around to this side is bare. And we do have our front-facing camera in the top right there. Other than that, there are no other buttons on the front or any sort of thing like that. And on this side here, it's no other buttons or anything like that, but on the very top right here where my thumb is, that's gonna be your microphone input. Well, guys, I've been really enjoying the tablet. One of my favorite things to do, actually use this boxing round interval timer. And so what I typically do for my workouts, I play YouTube videos on this Samsung phone, and then I use my tablet for my boxing intervals. It's a great timer, great for exercise. I know that's just a little bit over the top, but I like it because it's a big timer, as you can see, like this, and then it goes through the different rounds, gives me a little bit of beeping, and the sound is actually very great. So let me just show you real quickly. And then you go for a minute, and then it goes like a few intervals and goes beep, beep, beep. So anyway, great for training purposes. Obviously, because it is black, you're gonna see some fingerprints on there, but just take a nice little microfiber cloth and clean that. But what I love about it is I really like how it feels in my hand, and it feels like a great tablet. See how the bezel on this one is very thin, and it just feels good. It feels a lot better. Let me show you this tablet by Vankyo as well. This tablet is their Z10, and this is a great tablet as well, but they definitely improved. See how thick the bezel is on this one compared to this one? It just feels better than the previous model. This is a great tablet, don't get me wrong, but I like this one much better out of the two. Now, we're not gonna be able to play too long here because of copyright, but let's go ahead and show you the dual speakers, which again are on this side. That would be the bottom of it if you're viewing it in vertical mode here. So let's go ahead and play real quick. Sorry, again, can't play too much. YouTube is very sticklish about copyrights on music, but the speakers are okay. Obviously, I'm used to a Samsung S8 Plus, which sounds a little crispier, but not bad. But to be honest with you, I use this mostly for my security cameras and the boxing app. Check this out. Here I have my security camera on my front doorstep, so when Amazon packages are dropped off, I can see exactly where they're at. Normally I have that plant in a different direction so you can see the porch a little bit more clearly. But overall, guys, I have really been enjoying the tablet. The battery life is actually nice and long. That nice beefy 6,000 milliamp battery has lasted a nice long time, even with Bluetooth on. So guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Again, in the description box right below the video, you're gonna find a link for this tablet. You guys can read more about it, pick one up yourself. But just like all my unboxing and review videos, guys, please don't go into debt for anything that I do review and make a video about. If you do have the money and you feel like purchasing it, go right ahead. Hit that thumbs up button and subscribe on the way out, guys, and I will see you on the next review video. Take care, bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.